Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. Do you see? Do you see how crystal clear that image is? Yes. Thanks to my roommate who got an upgrade to her phone. She kicked me down her old phone, including a whole month of service, which was super awesome. And with that, that means better quality. That means better quality videos. Look how clear that is. You can actually see how beautiful Toph is. I figured Toph was the best one to start with my brand new camera, cause she's just gorgeous and I'm so happy with it. Sound quality is fantastic. The picture quality is fantastic. I am so happy. I'm going to have to reintroduce every single one of my snakes to you guys with this brand new camera. I'm so happy.